Hello students, under the topic vector differentiation, now here we are going to learn a concept that will be applied in the problems. If r vector is equal to xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector and modulus of r vector is equal to r, then the value of nebula phi is given by, that is nebula f of r is given by f dash of r multiplied with r cap. Now r cap here is the unit vector, and so it will be equal to r vector divided by modulus of r vector. This f is a scalar point function. So now it can also be replaced as nebula phi of r, which is equal to phi dash of r multiplied by r cap. Now using this concept, let us find phi in our problems. So let us see how to apply this concept. Now here we have a problem. In this problem, it is given that nebula phi is equal to phi r cube r vector. We have to find the value of phi now. Now in order to solve this problem, we are going to make use of the concept that nebula phi of r is equal to phi dash of r multiplied with r cap, where this r cap is the unit vector, which is equal to r vector divided by modulus of r vector. Now we shall substitute nebula phi that is given in our question. It is given that it is equal to phi r cube r vector. So when we substitute that value over here, instead of nebula phi of r, what we get is 5r cube r vector is equal to phi dash of r, and instead of r cap we can replace it by r vector divided by modulus of r vector. Now on the both the sides we can cancel this r vector, and so we will be having phi r cube is equal to phi dash of r divided by, what is modulus of r? Modulus of r is equal to r. So we can substitute r over here. Now from this, taking this r to the left, we will be getting phi r to the power 4 is equal to phi dash of r. So we have got phi dash of r to be equal to phi r to the power 4. Now what is the question here? The question is we have to find phi. We have phi dash of r. So if we integrate this, we get phi. So integrating on both the sides. So on integrating phi dash of r, we get phi of r. That is equal to, what about the right hand side? Integral phi r to the power 4 dr. So that will be equal to, what is 5? It is a constant, it can be taken out. And what is the integration for r to the power 4? It is r to the power 5 divided by phi plus a constant of integration, which we can take as c. So this is what we get. So therefore these two phi gets cancelled, and the value of phi of r is equal to r to the power phi plus c. So this is the answer, and this is how we have to find phi when nebula phi is given in terms of r vector. We shall see another problem to understand this concept more better. Now here the question is, that is problem 13, nebula phi is given and a clue, that is phi of 2 is equal to 4 is also given. This is given because we want to evaluate the constant of integration and then substitute it so that we get the final answer. Okay, you will understand it better when we solve it. And the question here is to evaluate phi. So when nebula phi is given in terms of r vector, immediately we have to make use of the concept. That is, we know that nebula phi is equal to phi dash of r multiplied with r vector, r cap. That is nebula phi of r is equal to phi dash of r multiplied with r cap, where r cap is equal to r vector divided by modulus of r. So we are going to make use of this concept. What is nebula phi given here? It is given as 6r minus 8r square, the whole multiplied with r vector. So we will substitute that 6r minus 8r square, the whole multiplied with r vector, is equal to phi dash of r, and what is r cap? R vector divided by modulus of r vector. Now this r vector and r vector gets cancelled, And so we get 6r minus 8r square is equal to 5 dash of r divided by what is r modulus of r vector? It is r. Now from this, taking this r to the left, it gets multiplied with this term and we get 5 dash of r to be equal to. So when r gets multiplied here, it becomes 6r square minus 8r cube. Now we have to integrate on both the sides in order to get phi of r. So on left hand side, when phi dash of r is integrated, we get phi of r. And on the right, I will do the direct integration. When 6r square is integrated, 6 is a constant and the integration of r square is r cube by 3 minus 8 will come as it is. What is the integration of r cube? It is r power 4 divided by 4 plus a constant of integration c. So now if you see, we can cancel this twice and this also twice. And so we get phi of r to be equal to 2r cube minus 2r to the power 4 plus the constant of integration c. Now the problem still continues because in this a condition is given. It is given that phi of 2 is equal to 4. So we have to make use of this, which means in this if you put r is equal to 2, you get the value to be the value of phi of r, that is phi of 2 to be equal to 4. So this is what given. So instead of r we have to replace by 2 over here. So this becomes, that is phi of 2 will be equal to what? When you substitute 2 over here, it becomes 2 multiplied with 2 cube minus 2 multiplied with 2 to the power 4 plus a constant c. And this is equal to what it is given as? It is equal to 4. So this is equal to 4. So now from this, what do we get? So we will write this alone. So this is 2 cube is 8. 8 multiplied with 2 is 16 minus 2 to the power 4 is 16. 16 multiplied with 2 is 32 plus the constant c is equal to 4. So from this, what do we get? What is 16 minus 32? It is minus 16. So minus 16 plus c is equal to 4. And so from this, the value of c is equal to, right hand side we have a 4. Taking this negative 16 to the right, it becomes positive. So 16, we get plus 16. So 4 plus 16 is 20. So therefore we have got the value of c to be equal to 20. Now take and substitute this value of c in our phi of r, the answer that we got. So this will become phi of r is equal to, so phi of r is equal to, we have 2r cube and then minus 2r to the power 4 plus c. But what is the value of c that we have got? It is 20. So plus 20. So kindly go through this problem patiently because here a condition is given. Using that condition, we have evaluated the value of c and we have substituted here to get the final answer. So hope you have understood this problem. So this is the final answer. And in fact, we can see the 2 is common in all. So we can just write it as phi is equal to, you can take 2 common and so it becomes r cube minus r to the power 4 plus 10 within the bracket. So this is the answer. So I hope you would have understood both the problems that we have solved in this video lecture. Thank you.